Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to access age restricted servers in Discord. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So accessing age restricted servers in Discord requires a few things to be placed, since Discord has certain rules to comply with, legal and safety guidelines. So for this, you need to simply tap open your Discord app. Once you open your Discord app, you can simply go to your profile. Once you have gone to that, you need to simply tap on the gear-like icon and tap on settings. Now you need to access your profile and you need to make sure your date of birth reflects that you are 18 plus or the required age depending on your reason. After this, you can simply go to privacy and safety. You can simply enable age restricted commands, that is for age restricted commands, and if you don't want any of the age restricted comments or any of the commands like that, you can simply turn the toggle to left, which will make it turned off. So after enabling all these features, you can simply join the server that you have an invite of, that is also marked as NSFW, and as a member you can simply get the chat access and stuff like that. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.